introduce you the new project that will airdrop its token. And this is the Orbiter Finance, and this is an Ethereum bridge that help user to connect many layer 2 chain to other chain, for example like Arbitrum to zksync, Starnet, Optimism. And you can see here it has 3 million users, and it's raised fund from 2022 with 3 rounds with many famous fund like OKX Venture. First step, you can connect the wallet. You can go here and connect the wallet. Connect the wallet like metamask. You have metamask wallet, and then you can see here I got the point because I done some quests here. You can see, and after you done the quest, for example like bridging one transaction with any amount of ETH from any network to Arbitrum, you will got 5 points. For example, I will do a bridging. For example like here I will do this is ETH and this is zksync. I will transfer from zksync network here 0.1. It's very small amount, it's okay. You send from zksync to Arbitrum. It's only in metamask wallet. You can see here that the fee is very cheap, $0.14. It's very cheap. So you can wait like 1 to 3 minutes, maybe 1 minute. It can finish the task, and after you done the bridging, you will get the point here. And when the project launch mainnet, it will bonus the token based on on your activity on its website. You can see here I just got one point, and after you finish 3 transactions here, you can flip 1 card here. For example, I got 1, so I can flip 1 here. I got 3, and you can see that I got more 6 points here, and you can see my point here because I done some quests here. That's very easy one, and this project is very famous. You should try to use it, and you will have opportunity to get airdrop in the near future. And moreover, you can click the link down below in the right side. You can see here. Then you can do the task in this side, and for example like here I can log in by connect the metamask wallet. You should turn to mainnet, Ethereum mainnet, switch network. Okay, so you can see here you can do some tasks here, and after you finish, you will bonus one NFT, and when the project launch mainnet, you will have airdrop. For example like here I done it before, so after you finish 1 task, you come back, and you will have the stick, the green stick here, and you do step by step. Then afterward you can claim the NFT here. I done it before, so so you can try to do it step by step. If you have problem, you can comment down below. I will support you, and good luck. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.